radio stations all across the U.S. And they told them to play the song, and then they went into YouTube for the music video, the first one, and they were able to see that there was a radio station, well, that Kansas, so for some reason no one was watching the video in Kansas. And then they discovered that the radio station in Kansas just wasn't playing the song, which is really cool. So it like corresponded from radio play to YouTube views. So anyway, there's also some really cool stuff there. You know, we're thinking new exciting ideas all the time. Like, you think it'd be really cool if I could find out, like, for example, maybe people in North Carolina rated my video 1 star, but people in California rated it 5 stars. Like, really cool trends. That way you can get like really precise detail about like how engagement. Personalized homepage. We pushed this out a few weeks ago. Feedback's been pretty good so far. Really answers the question of, you know, what should I watch today? It acts kind of as your window into YouTube. Like, here's my world. Here's stuff that's going on. It's very personalized to me. I can customize this page. I can find out, you know, what my subscriptions are up to. We made recommendations based on, you know, what we've watched before, what you favorited. There's all sorts of like input and signals that go into it. And you know, there's friend activity now too. Like John's